Mama, you want to watch Mama cook and Boo's on your stool. You don't quite know what to do, huh? Mama cooking? Is he heavy? Is he in a power play with you? He thinks it's his stool and you think it's your stool. Yeah, how are you going to get Boo off your stool? Can you try to carry the stool over here with Boo on it? How about if you leave Boo on it and try to carry the stool? Can you pull the stool? Can you pull the stool?
No.
Yeah, Boo's on your stool, huh? Get him off. You better get him off. Mama's cooking. He's just going to turn around and get comfy again, huh? Push him! Push him hard! Did you do it? What's wrong? Did you pinch yourself or scare yourself? Yeah, you took his stool, but you think it's your stool. No, not that close to the fire. Right there is fine, yeah. Are you happy now? Let me see. Are you happy now, Hunter? Hunter, are you happy now? Did you get your stool?